Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate product labels with Avery Design and Print. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Avery Design and Print on your computer. Select the product you wish to create a label for. Once loaded, choose a template that suits your needs. Click on the text option to add your desired text. Customize the font style, size, and color to match your branding. If applicable, insert your logo by selecting the Images tab. Upload your logo file from your computer. Position the logo correctly on the label by dragging it. Now, check the dimensions and alignment of all elements. To ensure authenticity, add a unique identifier or QR code. For the QR code, select the QR code tool from the menu. Input the necessary information for your QR code. Adjust its size to fit appropriately on the label. Preview your design to confirm everything looks flawless. Once satisfied, click the Print button. Choose the printer settings that comply with your label paper type. Use a test sheet first to ensure everything aligns perfectly. When ready, print on your actual label sheets. After printing, inspect each label for accuracy and quality. Your product labels are now authenticated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.